Insert the ice pack into the dry freezer bag, then place the bag in the freezer. After 4 hours of freezing between -18 and -22 degrees Celsius, remove the ice pack and redistribute the gel if necessary. Caution: make sure to place the skin protection fabric between your skin and the ice pack. Insert your foot into the ice pack, ensuring your heel is properly positioned in the opening. Fold the left side of the ice pack over your foot and secure the hook and loop fastener over it. Reposition the lycra if necessary. Attach the pump and turn the valve to on. Inflate. Do not exceed 10 pumps. Then turn the valve to off and unscrew the pump. After 20 minutes, remove the ice pack, deflate, and place it back in the bag, and then in the freezer.